Hello and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So as you know, the series of interviews is still going on, and in today's session, I have called upon one of my students to whom I have taught NEET biology. So she has cleared NEET and has joined for physiotherapy. So apart from that, like we would like to know and about how exactly she prepared for her entrance exam, because I was just taking only bio for her. Her name is Vaishnavi, and it's been 3 years she is doing her physiotherapy after clearing her NEET exam. So let's hear from her, like what were her strategies and timetable, what is her view, like any message to the other students who are still preparing for your NEET exam and all. So let's hear from her, like what she has to share with us. Hello Vaishnavi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. So since you know, I have started my academy channel called Excelsior Academy.
Yes.
So where in which I take interviews of those students who have cleared the exams and they're pursuing their
Okay.
career also. So from you, I also want to you to share that how you have prepared for your exams. What were your strategies or timetable as such for clearing your NEET exam?
Oh, yes, sure. I will share. But I just want to tell you that, see, I am not a topper or I don't have a success story as such, but I will tell you all the things that now I realize which I lacked that time.
Hmm.
So these things I'm going to tell you so that the students which are preparing for exams now, they will not commit these mistakes again, which I had done.
Hmm.
So as you all know, NEET has 4 subjects. So most of the time, you should focus mostly on physics and chemistry,
Hmm.
because these two are the toughest subjects. Okay,
Hmm.
biology is not. I don't say biology is easy, but biology can do it on
Hmm.
your own.
Hmm.
Okay, you can solve many questions and you can handle it. You can tackle it. Okay, you just have to be clear with all your concepts.
Hmm.
But in physics and chemistry, it is not like that. Physics and chemistry, you need a lot of time management.
Hmm.
So most, you know, it is my suggestion to everybody appearing for NEET that you should focus mostly on chemistry and physics,
Hmm.
and students should solve 100 questions every day per
Every
subject.
day.
Every day, hundreds of questions. Actually, these questions are not the bigger ones. Okay, these are only small questions, and based mostly on small concepts. So not too difficult to solve, but if you have a lot of practice, then you can tackle all those
Hmm.
questions easily.
Hmm.
And second thing is time management.
Hmm.
So when I was I was in the examination hall, I couldn't complete my physics paper because I didn't solve many of questions when I was
Hmm.
studying.
Hmm. Hmm.
I mostly focused on biology and chemistry. I didn't focus on physics
Hmm.
because already knew that I am very very weak at physics.
Hmm.
So I was sure that I'll not be able to solve those questions.
Hmm.
So I didn't practice that much, and because of that, I couldn't complete my paper.
Hmm.
That is obvious. So my chemistry and biology paper were the best.
Hmm.
But physics में मैं लटक गई physics में.
हाँ.
So मेरे ये सजेशन है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने चाहिए. और
हाँ.
बहुत सारे रेफरेंस बुक्स है
हाँ. हाँ.
अवेलेबल है. उनमें प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, उसके
Hmm.
साथ सॉल्व्ड आंसर्स भी रहते हैं कि कैसे आपको इन लिमिटेड टाइम यू हैव टू सॉल्व दोस क्वेश्चंस, राइट? सो
Hmm.
कम टाइम में उनको कैसे सॉल्व करना है वो
Hmm.
उसमें दिया होता है, स्मॉल शॉर्टकट्स.
Hmm.
तो वो बुक्स रेफर करने चाहिए. और फिजिक्स के लिए तो भाई बहुत ही पढ़ना पड़ता है. इसलिए मैंने पहले ही बोला कि आई डोंट हैव अ सक्सेस स्टोरी. तो ऐसी
हाँ.
स्मॉल मेरी फेलियर की कहानी है. तो
No, but you
but
really cleared your exam, right? तो वो success
yeah,
ही
I
है.
cleared it. Actually, मैं I was a volleyball player, so I always wanted to stick to this field of
हाँ.
sports. That's why I opted physiotherapy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
हाँ,
So I am enjoying it.
हाँ. So it
मैं
means
sad
like
नहीं हूँ मैं.
in future you will go for sports physiotherapy भी जा सकते हो, है ना?
Yes, yes.
हाँ,
For
मैंने सुना है
masters,
अभी
I
बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ.
Very nice.
तो यहाँ पे एक और चीज पूछना था, जैसे भी ये तो बैचलर्स हो गया, राइट? अभी मास्टर्स के लिए दोबारा
Yeah.
एग्जाम लिखना पड़ेगा, नीट पीजी शायद, या दूसरा
और
कोई एग्जाम है?
हाँ नहीं, फॉर फिजियोथेरेपी
हाँ.
नीट पीजी नहीं होता, सीईटी होता है.
ओके.
हाँ, वो नीट के जैसा ही होता है, सेम.
हाँ.
पर थोड़ा सा उनका हमारा पैटर्न अलग होता है. मतलब पूरा फिजियोथेरेपी से रिलेटेड होता है उसमें, जो हमने ये 4 साल में पढ़ा, इंटर्नशिप में पढ़ा, जो भी
हाँ.
है. तो ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड इन दैट एग्जाम. एंड वो एग्जाम भी टफ होता है, उसके लिए बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है. और इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिलना स्पोर्ट्स फिजियोथेरेपी में बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि बहुत कम गवर्नमेंट सीट्स अवेलेबल है.
हाँ. हाँ.
हाँ,
एक्चुअली काफी
तो
लोगों को
उसके लिए
पता
बहुत.
भी नहीं है, बिकॉज अभी मेरी एक फ्रेंड, मतलब मेरे क्लासमेट थी, रिसेंटली आई केम टू नो दैट शी इज आल्सो इन स्पोर्ट्स फिजियोथेरेपी, एंड आई वाज लाइक शॉक्ड कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है क्या, इवन मुझे भी नहीं पता
इट इज
था.
देयर.
हाँ,
पीपल
बट
आर एक्चुअली नॉट अवेयर अबाउट फिजियोथेरेपी एक्चुअली. बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है फिजियोथेरेपी क्या होता है. पर जब वो अपनी कोई ट्रीटमेंट करवाने आते हैं हमारे पास, या
हाँ.
फिर कोई डॉक्टर उनको सजेस्ट करते हैं, तब जब वो ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे होते हैं, तब उनको पता चलता है कि एक्चुअली क्या है फिजियोथेरेपी में. उनको पता नहीं होता. उनको भी ऐसा लगता है हम दवाइयाँ देते हैं, मेडिसिन देते हैं. तो
हाँ.
बहुत लोगों का ऐसा होता है. पर बहुत अच्छा फील्ड, मतलब वो. और बहुत आगे बहुत है उसमें करियर.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, I have seen only in Bollywood, sorry, in Hollywood only, that physiotherapy is there for sports. जरा सा चोट लगा and they call the doctor and they tell you some kind of exercise, right? मुझे तो लगता था वो
Yeah,
ऐसी ही है, but now it's like it is in reality. Okay.
yes, it is
अच्छा
there.
है, अच्छा है, nice, nice. So currently, where in which college you are studying physiotherapy?
I am in Lokmanya College. It is the Nakurdi.
हाँ,
So,
nice. Yeah, thank you Vaishnavi for sharing your experience with us. I really hope बच्चों को ना एक idea मिल गया है, एक और field मिल गया. It's not only MBBS only, but one more field to do
yeah,
and excel in their career also. Thank you so much
yes.
for sharing with us. So welcome back. So that was Vaishnavi sharing her experience with us, and it is so amazing. Actually, I never thought of physiotherapy. So even though when I was teaching for NEET biology, I always said about the MBBS, like go for the medical, become a surgeon every time. So in my mind also, it was always about being a medical doctor, like, just go for the surgeries, be a specialist in heart or neuro and everything like that. I never thought myself about the physiotherapy. Now talking to her had made me realize that this is also a great field. Everyone has not to become, the surgeon doctor. We need physiotherapy also in India. Like for example, when your favorite game is going on, cricket, India's, now it has become like a national game, even though hockey is the national game. So it's like a festival. People are watching cricket like anything. But during playing also, during the sports also, people get injured. So that time we as such surgeons are not needed. We need these sports physiotherapy people are needed, so that they can tell you what exactly kind of exercise should be done, what kind of precautions should be taken, right? So now after talking to her, this is also clear to me. And now I am also, a bit more open about this field. This is great actually. And yes, and she is doing after clearing her NEET at Lokmanya Tilak College in Pune, Akodi. So it's really great talking to her, having her for these interview sessions. It has opened my mind also, and I'm sure it is going to help you also, guys. Because it's not necessary that you have to be a medical surgeon. You can be a sports physiotherapy, and you will be called as doctor also. So it's not like that. As when we were talking, so she mentioned that initially it was considered under the BSc MSc degree, but now people have fought because they also study the same syllabus what the MBBS students are studying. So now after talking to her, so I came to know that these people, the faculties, who are teaching, who are doing physiotherapy, they have fought, and now the government has allowed that after their degree also, after their course also, they are they can be called as doctor. So they can also put the initials. So it's another opportunity, right? So if you're scared of blood and anything and still want to be called as doctor, so you can go for the physiotherapy as a career option. So with this, I would like to end, and I would like to also announce that the series of videos will be coming soon, in which I'll be mentioning the other fields also where you don't have to clear NEET also. So I'm not discouraging to study about the preparation for the NEET, but you know, many a times people, they spend 2-3 years preparing for NEET but are still unable to clear. But you know, in their mind, in their family, in the society, they just want to be called as doctor. So what they can do is, there are many other field related to medical, and many are there. So those fields I will be discussing, and will be telling you how exactly to apply, what will be the fee structure, and what kind of the material, the study you are going to do. So the series will be called as Be a Doctor Without NEET. So thank you. I hope you keep watching and get more information regarding your career options. Thank you.